I mean, we were going to counseling. I didn't really understand what grief support was, right? But it really changed our lives coming here. And so now I'm like, oh, I need to get more people here because it saved us in so many ways.
I've seen lost and I've seen found. Sidewalks, interstates, I'm bound to this place.
They show how they're actually feeling inside. And a lot of times, what is on the outside is different than what's on the inside.
I'm not pretty enough for pop. I'm not cool enough for indie rock. I'm too happy to sing the blues.
I don't know. It's just, there's something special about it. Like, we call this our second home, really, is what it is.
Street cred comes from a small town road off Cedar Street with the tall pines glowing up late. Now I know where I'll go, that I know where I'm coming from.
Oh, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this one was calling to me.
What?
For you.
So quick.